Today we're going to be testing this insane Doom 5080. Nvidia and Asus sent this over for me so I could try out the new Doom game and see what kind of performance you can get. I knew I had to put this card in a pretty high-end build, so I grabbed a 7800X3D. I've got this insane Strix motherboard, and this thing is beautiful. Not only that, but it makes building so much easier. There's all kinds of little features like these quick release latches on almost everything that needs to be released, and the ports are much easier to access than a normal motherboard. But anyway, after I got this PC set up, the first thing I wanted to test was the new Doom, The Dark Ages. So let's boot it up and see how it performs. All right, we've got everything hooked up, and this is crazy. This case is so sick. I think I'm gonna actually case swap my PC into this one after I finish this video. Asus, mwah. I gotta say, building a PC now is so much easier than it was when I built my first PC like 6 years ago. Brands like Asus have done a ton of work to make PC building more accessible for people that are getting into the hobby. I'm here for it. But we've got important stuff to do, like playing Doom. Let's go. First things first, I definitely gotta tweak these settings a lot. One of the benefits that comes with having a 50 series card like this is that you get access to all of the 50 series optimizations. DLSS will basically render your game at a lower resolution so that it takes less PC power to run it. And then afterwards, it'll upscale that resolution to something much higher so that the visuals you're seeing are high resolution, but the visuals that the PC is processing are much lower. This doesn't work unless you have really good upscaling technology, and that's where DLSS 4 comes in because it is the newest and best upscaling technology on the market. There's a ton of presets going from performance all the way up to quality. I'm setting mine to quality. Definitely turning on reflex mode as well. And here's the big one, multi-frame gen. Multi-frame gen is an upgrade from regular frame gen, obviously, and it can render multiple extra frames with each one normal frame that the game is outputting. This feature is exclusive to 50 series cards, but it's still worth it and still a pretty significant boost to frame rate, especially when you use things like ray tracing, which I have on. With all of the settings on high, ray tracing on high, and DLSS quality, we're gonna see how this looks. Man, immediately we're above 200 FPS, even with all these settings on max. I wanna find some water so I can look at reflections. Even with all the raindrops happening like 24/7, it still keeps the quality. Okay, more, I wanna see more. So I can block. Even when there's huge explosions on the screen, I think I saw it go down to like 180, but that's it. Even looking at things that are pretty far away, like the detail level is actually high. Like look at these leaves, man, even when they're moving in the wind. What's even crazier is the noise level of my PC is so quiet right now. I'm gonna let you guys listen. And these are the stock PC fans that came in the case. Oh, that's why. It's because the temps are like barely anything. You're telling me the GPU is under 60 degrees while rendering a 2025 game with max settings and 4x frame gen. And if I turn the settings down to like medium, let's see how that changes it. Dude, now we're at like 250. Still looks great. Like the quality honestly isn't bad even with everything on medium. Definitely still a great experience even if you don't have the best of specs. I would just throw everything on medium. I mean, this looks good. I don't think there's a game out there that wouldn't feel smooth at 400 FPS. Oh, this is a big guy. What are you doing? Dude, how many bullets does it take? Man, the input delay feels like I'm not even using frame gen. This optimization is really good. What's incoming? Ooh, okay, we got the Infinity Gauntlet. Oh, so this Doom's got combos now. Dude, this GPU is a freak. Even though I've got a little bit of sag, definitely need to fix that. The new Doom game is awesome. This is definitely one of the most modern gaming experiences out there right now. This game runs so smooth with all of the 5080 optimizations on. It really feels like you don't have to sacrifice anything and you just get all the added benefits. Big thank you to Asus and Nvidia for sending out this amazing GPU. This is one of the coolest pieces of tech I have ever seen, and I'm blown away by the performance. Stuff like this makes me wonder how they're gonna make a 60 series. Anyway, let me know if you guys want me to test this card on anything else next, and keep an eye out on my channel because I'll probably post a few shorts testing other games. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.